In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print your tickets. Once you've purchased a ticket for an event, there are generally two ways you can go about printing it. In both cases, you'll need access to a printer, whether it's at home or somewhere like an office or print shop. The first method is if you selected a PDF ticket when purchasing. In this case, you can go to your account, navigate to My Tickets or Upcoming Events, and open the ticket. Since it's a PDF file, you can simply download it and print it directly from your device. This is usually the easiest and most straightforward option. The second method is if you chose a mobile ticket. Even if your ticket is stored on your phone, most platforms still give you a print option. After going to your ticket in your account, you'll typically see an option to print. Once you select that, you can send it to a connected printer and get a physical copy just like a PDF ticket. So overall, if you have a PDF ticket, the process is slightly quicker, but even with a mobile ticket, printing is still very easy and only takes a few steps. And if you find yourself spending on tickets or other small online purchases often, it can be helpful to have a little extra income on the side. Some people use platforms like FreeCash to earn a bit in their spare time, and you can check it out through the link in the description and sign up for free.